Hello, friends, and welcome to our Gentle English Story podcast. Today, our theme is Everyday Courage, Small Brave Choices in Normal Days. You will hear simple sentences with clear verbs and easy words. You will practice the past simple and some present actions too. You will listen to a calm story with 5 short scenes. Each scene shows a moment when someone chooses courage over fear. You will learn helpful words like courage, admit, and relief. You will also hear how to ask for help kindly. Please relax, breathe slowly, and follow the story sentence by sentence. If a word feels new, listen again and feel patient. Your English grows with every careful minute. Let us begin our story about small steps and a strong heart. It was Tuesday morning, and the sky looked soft and gray. Aisha sat by her window and watched the quiet street below. She held a warm mug and read her small note cards. At work, she had a short presentation after lunch. The topic was simple, but her heart felt a little fast. Aisha was usually quiet in meetings, and big rooms scared her. She whispered her first sentence again and again to practice. Her voice grew steadier with each gentle try. She chose a bright scarf that made her feel brave and warm. She packed her lunch, keys, and cards, and checked them twice. She told herself, I can try, one small step at a time. Outside, a little wind moved the leaves, like friendly hands waving. Aisha walked to the bus stop, breathing slowly, counting each calm breath. At the bus stop, an elderly man dropped his cloth bag. Apples rolled across the pavement like tiny suns. Aisha hesitated for a second, then bent down and gathered them. The man smiled with tired eyes and thanked her in a soft voice. The bus arrived, and people hurried toward the door. The man walked slowly, and his hands trembled a little. Aisha spoke clearly to the driver and asked for a moment. She said, Please wait. He moves slowly today. The driver nodded and kept the door open. Aisha offered her arm, and the man accepted with a grateful look. They climbed the steps together, one careful step after another. Inside, Aisha found him a seat near the window. He whispered, Your kindness helps my morning. Aisha felt a small light grow in her chest. Courage sometimes looked like simple help for another person. The office smelled like coffee and new paper. After lunch, the team gathered in the small meeting room. Aisha held her note cards and stood near the screen. Her hands felt warm, and her mouth felt a little dry. She looked at a friendly face and began her first sentence. Her voice shook on one word, but she paused and breathed. She said the word again, slowly, and then continued her points. The slides were simple, with clear numbers and short lines. Someone nodded, and another person took notes with quiet care. Aisha explained a process with a short example from last week. She forgot one small detail, and she smiled and admitted it. She said, I will send that detail after this meeting. The room stayed calm, and people listened with steady attention. Aisha finished with a clear summary and thanked everyone for listening. Warm relief spread through her shoulders, like sun after gentle rain. At lunch, Aisha noticed a new colleague sitting alone by the window. His name tag said Leo, and his smile looked careful and shy. Aisha carried her tray to his table and asked to join him. He nodded, and they talked about food, music, and family recipes. Their conversation was simple, but it felt warm and honest. After lunch, Aisha checked a report and found a small mistake. She saved the file and walked to her manager's desk. She said, I made an error in the totals this morning. I want to correct it now, before the report goes out. Her manager thanked her for the truth and for the quick action. Together, they fixed the numbers and sent the updated file. Aisha returned to her desk and drank cool water slowly. Her chest felt open, and her breath felt easy again. Honesty needed courage, and courage brought calm, like a steady friend. Evening came gently, and the sky turned deep blue. Aisha walked to the community center for a neighborhood meeting. The chairs formed a circle, and a few neighbors greeted her kindly. Tonight's topic was street safety near the small local school. Cars often moved fast, and the crosswalk felt unsafe for children. Aisha remembered the elderly man and the careful bus driver. She also remembered her shaking voice and her growing strength. When the chairperson asked for ideas, Aisha raised her hand. She spoke clearly about speed bumps, better signs, and brighter paint. She said, "We can write a letter and collect signatures together." People nodded and added helpful comments and simple examples from their days. A quiet neighbor offered to design the letter with readable lines. Another neighbor offered to take it to the city office tomorrow. Aisha felt proud, not loud, just steady and real. Her small steps today shaped a safer, kinder street for everyone. Let us review our useful words from the story. Courage is the strength to face difficult things. When your voice is steady, it does not shake. Sometimes we whisper to practice or calm our nerves. Our hands may tremble, but we can breathe and continue. If we make a mistake, we can admit it with honesty. We notice small details, like a dropped bag or a missing number. After stress, relief arrives like soft light after rain. A neighbor is someone near us, at home or work. Support is the kind help we give and receive. Try making 2 sentences for each word this week. Keep them short and read them aloud with care. Small practice each day builds strong language and a stronger heart. Moral: small brave choices each day create a kinder, stronger life.